Hi, in this tutorial I'll guide you through the process of connecting Flotiq with Webstudio. First, log in to Flotiq. You can start by creating your own data model, or simply choose our demo space. This gives us ready-made content to work with, without setting everything up from scratch. Next, we'll copy an API key from Flotiq. The keys are already generated for you. This key will allow Webstudio to connect directly to our Flotiq project. In Webstudio, we'll create a variable called Flotiq API key and paste the copied value into it. Then, we'll create a resource variable in Webstudio to fetch the project list. Don't worry, it only takes a few clicks. To configure it, we'll open the Flotiq API docs and find the correct address. Back in Webstudio, we'll set this address and add authentication using our Flotiq API key. Now, we'll add a collection in Webstudio for the project list. We'll delete the default text elements and replace them with custom cards. In the collection settings, in the data field, we'll point to the project list coming from Flotiq. To include images, we'll add hydrate equals 1 in the request. This way we can set image sources for the cards and complete the design. Let's edit the project list page. Finally, we'll set a header image for the project, and configure an image gallery, in the same way we fetched the list of projects. If an error appears, don't worry, it usually means there's a typo in the variable. Once corrected, everything works. Then we'll create another resource variable for a single project. In the header, instead of static text, we'll use the project name retrieved from Flotiq. To test it, we'll insert a sample project ID. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we successfully integrated Flotiq with Webstudio and built a functional project listing and detail page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.